Hi, my name is Ahmad, Sales and Application Engineer from Fluke Electronics. Today I'm going to unbox a Fluke 117 electrician multimeter with integrated volt alert. So let's get going. So after we done unboxing, so here is the item that included inside the box. So first of all, it has a user manual here, as you can see that. Okay. TL75 prop, and also Fluke 117 electrician multimeter. Fluke 117 electrician multimeter is a compact true RMS meter for electrician that works in hospital and also schools. It's a very small size and lightweight. It comes with a Cat3 600V safety rating. It also has standard wheel design of multimeter function. Fluke 117 electrician multimeter comes with an extra volt alert technology for fast non-contact volt detection. It also has auto AC to DC volt selections. For more information, you can contact us at www.fluketest.com.